Welcome to my comprehensive review of the Legrand smart home system, focusing on its integration with Netatmo devices. Legrand, a renowned name in electrical and digital building infrastructures, has ventured into the smart home arena, offering a range of products designed to enhance home automation. Their collaboration with Netatmo aims to provide seamless integration of smart devices, promising users an interconnected and efficient home environment. Reddit.com plus 1 HomeDepot.com plus 1 Reddit.com plus 2 HomeDepot.com plus 2 Amazon.com plus 2 Upon visiting Legrand's official website, you're greeted with a sleek interface showcasing their smart home solutions. The site is well organized, allowing users to easily navigate through various product categories, from smart switches to integrated thermostats. Each product page offers detailed descriptions, specifications, and compatibility information, ensuring potential buyers are well informed before making a purchase. One of the standout features of Legrand smart devices is their compatibility with major platforms, like Apple HomeKit. This integration allows users to control their devices using Apple's Home app or Siri voice commands, providing a unified smart home experience. However, it's essential to note that some users have reported challenges with this integration. For instance, a user on Reddit mentioned that while the Netatmo thermostat works fine with Home Assistant, it requires a cloud connection, which might be a limitation for those seeking local control. Reddit.com. Another notable product is the Legrand Smart Tree Universal Dimmer. This device is designed to work with various lighting types, offering versatility for different home setups. A review on TechHive highlighted its compatibility with Apple HomeKit and its versatile control app. However, the review also pointed out that the wiring design reduces the need for wire nuts, which could be a consideration for DIY enthusiasts. Forums.whirlpool.net.o plus 6 techhide.com plus 6 homedepot.com plus 6 amazon.com. In terms of user experience, the installation process for Legrand smart devices is relatively straightforward, especially for those familiar with electrical setups. The devices come with comprehensive manuals, and the website provides additional resources, including video tutorials. Once installed, the devices integrate seamlessly with compatible platforms, allowing for centralized control and automation. Performance-wise, Legrand smart devices deliver reliable functionality. The response time for commands is swift, and the devices maintain stable connections. However, some users have reported issues with specific products. For example, a customer review on Home Depot's website for the Legrand Radiant with Netatmo Decorator Duplex Smart Outlet Starter Kit mentioned that while the devices are good, the gateway occasionally disconnects, requiring a power toggle to reset. Reddit.com plus 2 HomeDepot.com plus 2 Amazon.com plus 2 Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another consideration is the dependency on cloud services for certain functionalities. While cloud connectivity allows for remote access and control, it also means that an internet outage could limit the functionality of your smart devices. This reliance on external servers is a common concern among smart home enthusiasts, who prioritize local control for reliability and privacy. TechHide.com plus 2 Reddit.com plus 2 News.com.o plus 2 News.com.o plus 1 Reddit.com plus 1. On a positive note, Legrand's devices are praised for their aesthetic design. The sleek and modern look of their switches and outlets complements various interior styles, adding to the overall appeal of their smart home solutions. Additionally, the build quality of the devices reflects Legrand's reputation for durable and high-quality products. In conclusion, Legrand Smart Home System offers a range of devices that can enhance your home's automation capabilities. The integration with platforms like Apple HomeKit provides a cohesive user experience, and the design of the devices adds a touch of elegance to your home. However, potential buyers should be aware of the reliance on cloud services and ensure that their network setup can support these devices effectively. If you found this review helpful and want to stay updated on the latest in smart home technology, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. Your support helps me continue to provide honest and in-depth reviews. Sources: